Hey y'all, welcome back to MathRescue. I'm Andre, and I make content to take away the stress of learning math. In this video, we're going to solve an exponential equation using logarithms. Then at the end, we'll use your calculator to finish the approximation. Take a deep breath. We're going to take this slow, break it apart step by step, and make it feel super easy. Let's talk about it. Alright, so we're going to solve an exponential equation using logarithms. So we have this exponential equation, 7 to the x equals 50. I know 7 to the first power is 7. 7 to the second power is 49. 7 to the third power, I want to say is like 240 something. I'm not sure. But what I do know is that there's not a perfect integer answer for x. It's going to be some type of decimal. So in this current format, this is actually really hard to just solve using mental math. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go from exponential form to logarithmic form. So right now we're in exponential. And I'm going to go ahead and do a conversion on that to logarithmic. When I do the change of form, I like to first start with recording the base. So this is base 7. And then I take these two values and I just swap, I just have them swap sides. So it becomes log base 7 of 50 equals x. All right, from here you can go ahead and put it into your calculator. Now, I did this calculation on two different calculators. I did it on the Desmos Scientific. The Desmos Scientific would not take it in this format. On the Desmos Scientific, it required me to use the change of base formula. So I had to put it in like this. On the Desmos Graphing Calculator, it did let me put it in just how we see it here. So just a heads up about the two, even though they're both from Desmos, just a heads up on those sources there, okay? All right, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. I post videos regularly. My goal is to make you feel super confident in math. See you in the next one.